We're going to look at Photoshop's amazing tool that allows you to introduce one of the principles of design known as symmetry. So the definition of symmetry in design is making the opposite sides of something the same. So that is kind of a basic definition, and I feel like it's probably better understood if you just dive into this tool. To get to this tool, it's up here when you're in the brush mode. Now, I want to point out that when I'm doing this demo, I have set from the brush by holding down Option, I have descended down into the menu and gone into my pencil. I've set the pencil at 100 as far as the fatness. The mode is normal, opacity 100%, smoothing. Pencil allows me to introduce smoothing into the tool. Smoothing is going to soften and make my strokes more graphic. They're not going to be so jittery. So I've got that brush set to the pencil mode. And now up here, while I'm in any brush mode at all, this will show up, this panel, and you're seeing a little butterfly. If I click on that, it introduces the symmetry tool. I can first go down and demonstrate just vertical symmetry. It introduces a line in the center of the document. To actively use this symmetry setting, you have to hit return, and now you can start drawing, and it's creating symmetry. So let's delete that. Let's try another one. Let's set the brush to black, and let's go to horizontal. Hit return. Same thing. Where it really gets interesting and complex is if you move into the settings such as a mandala, and it asks you the degree of segments you want, and let's go ahead and make it 8. Click OK. And I also want to point out you can enlarge this so that the tool will really respond to the entire area of your document. Hit return, and now, using just some very basic movements, I am getting some amazing symmetry. Explore this tool, come up with your own original version of symmetry and design.